Good morning, guys. So yesterday we discussed about looping statements, right? Looping statements are different types of looping statement. While, do while, for loop, and for each loop is pending. Actually, I will cover that in the today's session arrays. Okay. Before we go that, let me talk about string. Okay. String is nothing but it's a sequence of characters, and it is a class in Java but considered as a literal. Okay, a literal as a fixed variable directly we can use in the code. It is a class from the non-primitive data type. Okay, we know data types was divided into two types: primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data types comes under numeric and boolean. Numeric also divided into char, integer, integral family, and from the integral family integer, byte, short, integer, long. So these are all comes under primitive data type. Okay, if you want to use numeric in the some particular data, we have to go with integer. We have to store some big number up to 12 or 13, we have to go with long. After that, short, byte. After that, we have to suppose if I want to add only characters A to Z, then we have to go with char, and boolean nothing but true or false. These are all comes under primitive data type. Now we will go to the non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type comes under string, arrays, okay, collection, enum. These are all comes under non-primitive data type. Okay, today we will discuss about strings. Strings. What is meant by strings? Means string is the collection of characters. Okay, what is mean by that? See here, let me write in notepad. Today date 29. Okay, so let me write here. String is collection of characters. What is meant by characters? A, B, Z. A to Z. Now, how to write one string in Java means just give the name. We have to give the any words, right? Suppose Java. This is one word. We have to give in the double quotes, especially in string. After that, close the line. Assign this data into one variable name. Then in the name Java will store, and the data type is capital S string. These are all the collections. By doing this collection only we have to write the one string. Then it will come one meaningful word. Java is one meaningful word. Nothing but the collection of characters. Right? In the Java, string is but characterized into the different types of based on how we can create any string. Like here I took one Java. I assigned that one to S1. That data type is string. Like that only we can take n number of this one. Okay, like multiple numbers we can take, but we have to change the variable name. Here name both will come error. Then we have to give string name one, then it is different value, then it is different value, right? Let me show this one. So already I created one string demo. In the string demo I took one main method. Let me write one name. How to write strings we know. Suppose Java. Close this line, assign this one to one variable, data type is string, right? Again, we can create one more name. But see here, it is showing error because of variables are the same. That's why if you take one, then it became two are different. right? This is non-static variable. For that purpose, in the main method, so it is non-static variable. That too also it is in the local variable. Why? It's in the method. If you write outside of the method, it is different thing, right? Instance variable. Now let me create one object. How to create object? With the new keyword. With the new keyword, we have to create one object for class. Right? In the 7th line, I created one object for the string demo. String demo is class name. Star is one object name, otherwise reference variable, equal to nothing but assignment symbol, new keyword. With the new keyword only we can create the object. This is constructor. Okay. Now star dot, see here, it is showing that name coming from a string variable from the class string demo. We can write like this, otherwise one more variable with the same name, star dot name 1. See here, name 1 is one variable, string data type and class from the string demo. See here, in the 3rd line my class name is string demo. Save this one and run this one. Again it will come on the console, Java and Java. Both are the same name only, but it will store in the string pool. We have the, in the strings we have the string pool. So this will stored in the, this data will stored in the memory string pool, right? And the drawback here is, suppose what can I say? It is a immutable. I can say it is a immutable code. Strings are immutable. Why? Let me write one code. Suppose what I took here, string is one Java. After that, let me write one what, this is my name, right? Name dot concat. Let me write what I'm trying to make a point here. I want to add this one program to the Java. The output should come Java program, right? What I'm trying to make a point is here, it is immutable. Immutable means we cannot change, right? That is why I want to try to make a point. It should be my output. Java program is my output. Plus program, my result should be Java program. I want to append this program. Append nothing but adding. I want to append this program to the Java beside, then my output should be Java program. But because of string is immutable, but the console printed only Java, right? That's why what is up if you what if it is the string is widely, we can use the network issues like a networking. In the networking, right, let me tell one why it is immutable. Strings will use for networking. In a networking connection or database nothing but where our data will store and URL etc. Like if they are mutable nothing but change. If it is mutable, someone could change the value. It might be password. Okay, it might be. We have the string is a mutable. That's why this Java, I couldn't append this program. That's why result also will come only Java. Clear? Now how to overcome this one? We have the different types again to change this one based on the requirement. See here, one is the string. It is a immutable. Immutable is nothing but we cannot change that value. What value? It might be Java. Okay, it might be password. See here, now we can give here numbers also. It's a not a. What is this one? This is a comes under integral family. We have to give here variable, data type is integer. That is the thing. But in the string, it will take numbers also. That is the advantage of in string. It will take numbers, other and sequence of characters and character as well. It is the advantage, but disadvantage is it is immutable. See here, now I updated one value. Just run this one. Previously it printed Java, now it's printed one number. Now let me take one Java also. Save this one. Run this one. On the console it will come one number and Java. Let me write, because of someone might be changed, but it couldn't change. Why? Because of it is immutable. Right? Immutable. Nothing but we cannot change this one. We cannot change this one. It might be mail ID, otherwise it might be password. Right? For that purpose, for security purpose and thread safety purpose, all included, accumulated, we are using this string. Right? After that, after some course of period, they have some requirement. I want to append some data to the this one a string. For that purpose, come to the picture. String is a they made as a mutable. For that purpose, we have the string builder. Let me write string builder, string buffer, string tokenizer. These are all the different types of string. In the string also, we can change that string. I mean, change the value for the particular purpose. So these are all the methods we are using in the string. Suppose I want to find the length, right? We can find the length. How to, like I'm explaining here only. Let me write, suppose string dot name. It's printed this one, Java. Now I can access this whole methods. Suppose purpose in the real time, like that only. String the object superclass, right? Open declaration. See here, this method, I am going to this method, hash code. In 10 line, this is predefined method. It is one interface coming from, see here, java.lang package. It is coming from java.lang package. And their parent is, their super class is object. In the class of object, right, we can access these are all methods. ToString method, okay. We can access ToString predefined method, notify all. These are all we can see by using the, we can access this all by using the object. See here. Now only we see, but some more types was there based on the requirement. They can mute the, they can achieve the immutable by using the string buffer, string builder and string tokenizer. String tokenizer, it will give the tokens. How it will, we will see. Now my goal is, see here, Java is different, program is Program is different. We couldn't add line by line, but I want to use one more theory. Then I want to add that one. For that purpose, we have create one object keyword. It is showing the number of options. Create a class, create an interface, create a string, create a change to string, otherwise change to string buffer from the java.lang package. I will go with this one. See here. Again, change to string build. Just save this one. Now string builder class came from the java.util package. Now all methods from the string builder. See here, this is one class. What class? Predefined one. Predefined class. Predefined class already I told one class. In the class what contains variables and methods. All we can access this one in our user defined class. Suppose I will take this one. String demo is my user defined class. Understand this one? It's a very, very important concept. Okay? See now. What is my class? User defined class. This one. Okay? Now we have to create object for my user defined class. User defined class nothing but I can give any name. User defined and predefined. Now let me go to the user defined. Suppose how to create a how to create object for my my user defined class with the new keyword, my class name, user defined class. This is predefined class. This is user defined class. Okay. Now see this one. I wrote some methods here. Some method 1, right? Some method 2. All I wrote, okay, java.util package. My package is Java July batch demo. Please understand this concept. It's very, very important. This is my package, user defined package. This is my user defined package. In the package, my class available, user defined class. Right? I created this class. I created object for this class. Same like me, developers also created one class. The class name is string builder. Understood? String builder from the package. From the package java.util. Okay. Like this. This is my package. This is my class name. In the main method, I didn't wrote right for time this time. I wrote some methods. I can access by using the import keyword. Like that only. In the Java developers also created one package name as java.util. They created class. They created one object. They created some methods. Right? I can simply using these all methods in my class. Then these methods, whatever they wrote, I can simply use in my class without writing all this one. That is called code reusability. That is the advantage of Java. Now SB, see now. SB dot, see here how many methods coming from the string builder. Able to see? These are all methods coming from the string builder. Let me show the string builder class. See here, we have the demo array, array demo sample, string demo and object class. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. Right, see here. Now on the top I have only two tabs. One is array sample, one is string demo. Let me go to the user defined class. Go to the implementation. It will open the new tab. See here, public string builder. This is predefined class coming from the java.lang package. Okay, java.lang package actually. They created java.lang package. Okay, from the java.lang package, see here, like me, Java, like them only, I created one package. In that package, see here, this is all predefined. What is your class name? Okay, it's loading. So this is all predefined class. See here, string builder. String builder is one predefined class. In the predefined class, string builder is one method is there. String builder, and they wrote one this one parameters, right? Like that only, I want to use these all methods in my class. What is my user defined class? String demo. By creating object only for class, for predefined class, I created object, then I can access all methods in the string builder with my object. What is my object? These are all methods coming from where? From the string builder class, right? See here, from the string builder class. See here, if you see this one, append boolean string builder. String builder is class and string builder. I think this method, this is class name. Like that only we can add this one. Now I want to add string, right? Let me add string. Let me go to append integer long string. Let me add string method. Here I have to add that only I wrote previously, right? Now I took Java in the parenthesis. Understood? Here I took Java instead of here. Now I want to append this one. Append nothing but I want to change to immutable to mutable. That is my goal. For that purpose I took one string builder. I created an object. I gave one second variable. Second second string. This is first one. Now I want to append this one. Let me see. System.out. Now see. String builder. What is that? Dot SB. Just give SB. Save this one. Okay, it's loading. Okay, save this one. See here, SB what contains? Java. Now Java append nothing but plus added program. Then what should come? Java program is funny. Now what it will come? On the console, Java is funny will come. Clear? We can change the immutable string to mutable by using the string builder. Clear? This is how we have to change the immutable to mutable. But string, string is immutable, right? See here, I couldn't append this both in one line, but by using the string builder, I can joint this both Java program side by side. We can change to immutable to mutable. That is the main thing behind this one. String buffer is the same, string builder also same, right? We based on the requirement they will use, different methods. I showed, right? See here. Let me write. See here, based on the requirement, SB dot, see here, append character. Suppose after Java, I want to add one character. For that, they will go with append char, string buffer, from the string buffer class. Like that only we have, see here, this is all method overloading. Okay, at the time of OPS concept, I will explain this method overloading. Okay, capacity, see here, capacity. If you give the capacity, like that only we can use number of methods. Now let me print this one, system.out.println, just to give SB capacity. Okay, just for that purpose they have used the length, right? See here, let me remove. Okay, right? We have to give here data here. We have to give data here. Okay, we have to give data here. Then SB it will take the Java and it will whatever I gave the name, it will both append, nothing but Java plus program. It's printed on the console Java program. Like that only we can change to immutable to mutable. Same concept this also. String buffer also same concept, right? Instead of you are giving string builder, you have to give string buffer. We can add this string after string, then it will come one more. Based on that we can change immutable to mutable. Now we will go to the string tokenizer. String tokenizer is it's a one special thing. It will split actually. Okay, it will split the code. Let me go to the PPT. It's a immutable. Okay, we cannot change, so we have to create. So string builder okay, string buffer, right? String buffer also same, it's a mutable. Just we have to give the string buffer, create the object, give the here name and give here name. It's printed like sb.append system.out.println. Then it will print what? It will print hello Java. Oh sorry, HCAP. Same concept. String builder, string buffer, both are the same. Now I will discuss about string tokenizer. See here, string tokenizer is it is used to split the strings. How many here strings we have? 3 strings. Java is one string, easy is one string, cool is one string. I want to split this one. How many strings available? For that purpose I have to use this string tokenizer. Let me remove this one. Okay. Now string tokenizer. Let me remove the string tokenizer. New keyword. Creating the object for predefined class. What is my predefined? Okay. This is my class name, string tokenizer. How can I identify this is a class? See here, S start with capital letter, nothing but uppercase. This is the class. Okay, string token is the class coming from java.util. I imported this one. Import is one keyword like string tokenizer. Type is string tokenizer. So it is what is asking here. Okay, argument. Okay, it should be argument, null. We have to Java is easy. Let me write Java is easy. Now Now see here, this is the time to explain the for each loop. We have the for each loop, right? Let me go to the PPT. Okay, packages. So this is pending, right? For each loop. Okay. For each loop. For each loop you use it to iterate the over arrays or collections without using the index number. It is a simple and clear and straightforward way. See here. This is the syntax of the for each loop. Okay. We don't give the index values. Okay. We don't give the index value. Directly we have to use the data type, array or collection or some more method. This is little different using in the this one. So I want to split this Java is token differently. For that purpose I will use for each loop. So we have the for each loop here. Okay, no, okay, see here, I created object for string tokenizer predefined class. Then all methods available in the string tokenizer I can access with object st. Now let me write one condition st. It is my object, nothing but string tokenizer dot while sentence. Okay. One more thing, Java is easy. Okay. And okay. One more token, it will consider every string as a one token. That's why we are using this count tokens. How many tokens available in this variable? Java is easy. Now what can I say? Easy and funny. Now how many tokens available? Let me see. Okay, it will count the token. It will give the token 5. Right? Let me write for your understanding. Plus okay, just save this one and run this one. Now you can understanding better way. Tokens available 5. How? Java is one token, easy is one token, easy is one token, and is one token, fun is one token. All accumulate 5 tokens. Clear? Like that only we can write while loop also. In while loop also it will iterate all these things. In the while loop, iterating the, let me take iterator, just iterator, has next, no, not has next, I will remove this one. Just remove. I am writing simple while loop. What is st? My object. Object dot has more tokens. Has more tokens. If it is tokens available, okay, whenever it tokens available, it will give any value, nothing, true or false. Then it will execute this block, right? That is the that how the while loop will work. Now system.out.println, let me write one more thing, st dot okay, this is my package, use a different package. This is the imported package. In this package this tokenizer available, right? After that, this is my user defined class. I took one main method, so I took one variable, Java is funny, and I put in the variable name, that is data type is string. I imported string tokenizer class. I created object for the string tokenizer coming from the java.util package. Now whatever the data assigned in the variable, this variable I have to give here in the braces as a parameter. Now in the name, what it available? Java is easy and funny. This available. Based on this only, predefined class, it has some methods. What that methods? Object dot count tokens. It is one non-static method. That's why I called with object. I mean, right, st. st is my object. That's why I called with object dot non-static methods. If you want to see, if you go to the string buffer, string tokenizer, just go to the search. It will redirect to the string tokenizer. In the string tokenizer, this is one method. Which method? Non-static method. Why? Here no static keyword available. Clear? That's why we can access. Okay. We can access the string tokens method by using object. If it is a if it is static, we have to access with directly, otherwise class name. So it is not returning any value. That's why I called object dot method. Then it's printed how many tokens here? 5. Right? Java is one token, ease is one token, easy is one token, and is one token, funny is one token. Right? Tokens available 5. Let me see on the console. Token available 5. See here, right? Tokens available 5. After that, I iterated this one. How many tokens here? 5. I want to iterate. Iterating, it will go to the Java. It will print. It will go to the ease and print. It will easy. It will print. And after that, and string it will print. Funny it will print. After that, no word. The condition is became false. It will come out of the block, this while block, and it will go and it will ends. Let me write the 11th one. See here, it's a splitted. That is the meaning of string tokenizer. Previously we are appended. Java is funny, right? Now it is splitted. Java is one line, ease is one line, easy is one line, and funny is one line. Like that only I splitted. That is the meaning of Java tokenizer, right? Let me go to the string buffer, string tokenizer. Here, use it to split the strings, right? Split nothing but this only. Suppose this is one word, Java is program is one word. I want to split that one like this. That is the use of string tokenizer. Based on the splitting, they will use for code. Clear? That's the thing. And that about string and types of string tokenizer, string builder, string buffer. Okay, now we'll go to the arrays. Arrays is also very easy topic. Let me go before this one. Let me write for your understanding. So we know how to declare the variable. Suppose how to declare the variables? 45 semicolon num, right? So I declare, I took one data 45, I assigned to one variable num, that is one integer type. I want to add one more, 46, 67, it is not valid, right? We cannot add more than one data, right? That is the limit of. Let me take one data 78 num, this data type is integer, it is valid. Now I want to add one more value. See here, it is showing error, syntax error on token 5658 is invalid variable. How to overcome this one? I want to add this, suppose this 78 is one student marks, 60 marks I want to add in one student one. In the variable it has some limitation, it will take only one variable. Now how to handle this one? Arrays is the indexed collection, fixed number, homogeneous. See here, it is a very very important word, homogeneous. Homogeneous means same data type, same family elements. It is used to store multiple values in a single variable. To overcome this one, come to the picture, arrays. It is a fixed number of the homogeneous data elements used to store multiple values, right? Instead of declaring separate variables. Okay. It is telling that take again Hari, take separate name Hari. Okay, it's loading. 1, then it is valid. Why? Both are the different names. Okay, it's struck actually. Both are the different names. I can primitive data types. That's why we have go with arrays. Okay. So these are all the two ways to write the arrays. This is one way and this is one way. Like that only, data type. Here we have to give the data type, square basis, array name, nothing but object, new keyword and data type. This is one way, first way. This is first way, we have to write the arrays. This is the second way. Right? These are all the two ways to write the one arrays. Right? Let me write one code based on the second one. Okay? Let me remove this code. Okay, let me write, but put in comment for your understanding. How can arrays, how to declare one arrays? Integer, immediately square braces. This is symbol of array, integer of array, and one variable, number equal to, this is second type. See here, now 10, okay, comma 79, comma 81, 88. This is the student numbers, and close the line. Right? This is how we can write in one line student names by using the arrays, but it is not possible in the primitive data types. Right? See here. Right? Let me go to the paint. How is variable stored? Okay. Let me write this one, arrays. This is the storing of arrays in the memory. Okay. Took straight line. This is called one cell, number of cells. Okay. Okay, let me write, this one is cells. How many I have elements? 78, 79, 81, these are all the elements, right? It will stored in the uh, 79, 78, 81. What is one more mark? 88. So this is the data. Now, whenever you created this one, internally the data 78 marks number 78 this store in the form of array. Array will store in the form of like this. Now it has one index value. Okay. Okay, let me put this one in the some different color. Index. Okay, this is called index. Index nothing but one arrow mark symbol. Okay. Okay, whenever you created array, then internally it will store in the cell 78, 78, 79, 78, 81, 88, right? So, okay, it's loading. It will allocated some data also as well. What is that data? Let me show. Here 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see this one. Like this it will store, right? After that, let me print some dot out dot println. What is here my number square braces. Suppose in the 3 index what it will show, I want to see that one. For that purpose, let me write here 3 and save this one and run this code. 88, right? Why? In the 3 stored element 88, right? 0, I think in Java numbers start with 0. That's why I took 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I want to know that what is the number. Okay, let me go to different thing. What is the element available in the, okay, let me go to the different color, blue. Okay, what is the element available in the third cell? That's why in the system.out.println I wrote object dot 3. Then it will go to the directly 3. Whatever the variable it will is there, it will print on the console 88. Right? That only done here. See here. It is the thing, it's created like this. After that, whenever this is number nothing but object, I mean variable. See here, in a variable. This variable contains all these elements. What is the element available in the third? For that purpose, I gave the third. Then it will go to the internal memory. It will check the third number. Whatever the number available here, it will print on the console. Why? Because of I took system.out.println. Now let me take. Okay, just save this one and run this code. Okay, 78 already wrote, right? Okay, I will explain in the paint for last time. So it will go to the 0, it will check the 0, whatever the data available, okay, it will print on the console, that is 78, like that. Okay, based on the index will move, it will check this one. Here, this is the index actually. This index will go to the 0, it will check the element, it will print. It will check the, first I gave 3, right? Index will go to the 3, it will check the element, it will print on the console 88. Like that, it will, arrays will work. What is the advantage of here? We can initialize more numbers, but same this one, homogeneous number and same data type integer, right? For that, now this is the time to discuss for each loop. Why? We have the elements, right? How many elements we have? Generally 3. Consider as a 3. Why? Generally 4, but I have to tell 3 only. Why? Because of it's considered 0. Okay. Now let me write for each loop. It's pending, right? I will explain now. For each loop, see here, integer. What is I? In number. Okay. Here I will take number. Here I will take value in the zero. Let me run this one, save this one. Now we can understand better. It will printing 9th line. Value is the 078. After that, this is coming from loop. What loop? For each loop. From the for each loop, it's iterated. Okay. Now let me write. Just save this one. Whenever the condition is whenever the elements is there, it will print continuously. Harimox 78, Harimox 78, 79, like that. Okay. So let me explain this one on the page, how it is working. Don't say. Let me explain. Copy that one. Let me go to the paint. Okay. What is this? Not this one. Alphabets. Let me go to this one. Just to save this one. And let me give the some different color. Okay. Now let me write what is the output. We can see the console. Just to run this one. Let me copy this one code as well. Put in the paint. Just save this one, give the different color. Let me give the blue one. Okay, save this one. How the execution will flow, let me see. Okay, just cancel this one. For each loop. Okay, the controller will go to the directly main method, right? We know. Controller will go start from the main method in Java. After that, it will check the array. I gave the elements. After that, I printed system.out.println. Value is the 0 and number 0. What is the element available in the 0? Right? Okay, it's removed, right? So in the array 0, what it available? 78. Right? 78. It will check. 78 it will take and it will print on the console. This one. Now, while loop. This is about this one, this line. Now it will go to the for each loop. For each loop, otherwise enhanced for loop. Right? Enhanced for loop. This is called enhanced for loop. In this enhanced for loop, what is the number means? Number is our variable name. See here. This is our variable name. What variable contains? Arrays. Set of arrays. 78, 79, 88, 81 and 88. And what it will do? In the array, okay. See now. In the array, what it contains? 78. 78 contains 70. 9 is there. 80. Okay. What available? 78. Oh, where is this? would have to write like this. 78 available. In the second cell, 79 available. Okay, 81 available and 88 available. Okay, so these are all the elements available in the memory. Now whenever you use a for loop, the cursor nothing but this index one, this index will move towards to this side. Okay, that is the difference. In the for in the simple for loop, we are using I equal to 0. This is one initialization. There is no such type of index, but in the arrays index available, this one. Index nothing but this arrow mark, right? That's why it is a enhanced this one for each loop. So internally what will happen whenever, okay, see, let me take a brush. Okay, let me take purple. Okay, so whenever the for each loop, how the for each will work, what is the numbers available? 78, 79, 81. These are all elements available in the here. Now see here, number will go to the elements, it will check the 78 number available, then it will print. Again it will go to the 78 number available, again it will print 79. Now again number available, it will print. Number available, it will print. Number not available, right? All will store in the number. That's why we are printing the number, right? Here, oh, this is very long things. Here I have to, this one, understood? So it will numbers is one variable. In the numbers, all elements available, right? It will go to the internally. Here it will go to the internally. It will check the number available. It will print. Again the cursor will come here. Okay, the cursor will move here. The cursor again it will move. It will check the element in the cell available, again it will print this one, Harimox 78. Again the cursor will move to third cell. Again 81 available, it will print. Again cursor will move 88, it will print. Again cursor will go to the this cell. There is no element available. That's why this condition will become false, then it will go to the next line. That's what happened here in this code. In this code, backend in the internally happened this execution. Clear? That's the thing. That's the arrays will execute. So main thing is we can write the same homogeneous and different data types in one line, and we can use for each loop. And okay, this is the declaration we saw already. First step, we have to declare the declaration like this. After that we have to give the new keyword. After that we have to give the data. This is actually first type. This is the we have to access the element by using this one. After that it will store in the form of so see here in the Java index start from 0, right? In the Java 0 from the start. So in the 0 what available? 5. After that 7 available, 4 available, 1 available. After that we can print by using the index. If you have to give here index, what is here index value? 1. If you give the index here, then it will go to the cell, it will print the 7. After that, okay, for each loop. Here I explained for each loop, right? Data type, integer, variable name. Okay, we have to give here temporary variable, array name. Array name, what is here array name? This one, number. Number is one array name, this is one temporary variable. Whatever the data iterated, it will store in the number. I am printing this one. Okay, whenever it became false, it will go to the out of the block. Okay, after that, disadvantages of array. What is the disadvantages of array? The main disadvantage of array is it is fixed in size. Once we created array, we cannot change the increase or decrease. After that, fixed size is and waste of memory. What is here waste of memory? See here, I created one more cell. It is a waste of memory in the internally, right? It's a waste of memory actually. This cell is waste of memory. We took only 4 only, but it's a created, actually it's created 16. Actually, the cell internally default value is 16, but I took how many? 3. Generally we will call 3, generally we will call 4, but technically we will call 3 only. So internally it will create 16 actually. Here, actually it is more than here up to here. Default value is 16. It is the waste of memory in the array. We can take up to 16 values, right? After that it is a waste of memory, but same data type. Same data type, nothing but this one, 88 only. We cannot write strings, we cannot write float, we cannot write characters, right? Homogeneous. That is the disadvantages. Waste of memory and same data type and fixed size. That is the disadvantage of arrays. Okay, that's it about today's topic. Scanner, okay, I will take this class tomorrow. Okay, scanner nothing but read the input from the various sources, nothing but end user. Okay, that's it about today's class. Stopping recording.